What's good, YouTube? I'm here at Ikea, and I just went down the up escalator. Wish I could have filmed that, but we back. My dad dropped his car off at the shop, and now we're just waiting. See, I went down this baby, and it's an up escalator. Amazing, right? I'm back. So I'm at Ikea, vlogging. Vlogging myself. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just real briefly. Yeah. So I told you I was coming hard with the August vlogs, and I followed through. Waiting in line did take years. So I'm through with that line finally. Yeah, I said line finally.
I saw you over there standing that long ass line.
Yeah, they got them standing.
Vlogging.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's cool. They like it. But, excuse me.
How come you?
Y'all, see if y'all can help me navigate this Ikea map. Riding on the large elevator.
You see it?
See what? Oops. Gotta push the floor.
Oh yeah.
It's okay to change your mind. You have 365 days to return new and unopened products.
That's a whole year.
Right. Well, hope y'all enjoying this vlog. I'm not trying to sag. I got stuff in my pocket. And I hope I'm sounding a little bit better too. Yeah. Yep. Just vlogging and vlogging and vlogging. See, for those of y'all who really dedicate and really watch my vlogs, a big thank you to you, because you guys matter the most. Thank you. They got a PS4 controller in this one.
Well, what's a PS4? PlayStation?
Yeah. Look at the setup. It looks so nice.
Yeah. Not only that, the way they have it laid out,
Yeah.
it's a lot of it. It's just,
Mm-hmm.
it's just a lot of room.
Yeah. Now it's starting to feel cold. Whatever the AC vents are.
Feel silly now.
Yeah, just a little bit.
That's exactly.
Yep. You would think that I'm shaking the camera, but I'm not. It's that up there. Another vlog in the day in the life of me at Ikea. So, yeah. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog here and then take a snapshot. It's fine.
If I had my phone out,
No,
no, I can write it down.
Oh, okay.
Definitely.
No, I'll just take a picture and I'll end this. Okay, see, it's fine. It's already 5 minutes.
It's already got stuff on it.
Oh.
You got to do it right now.
Oh, well, guess I'm not ending it then.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Y'all, one thing in here is they always have the air conditioning going. And I'm just feeling a little under the weather myself, so it doesn't help me. But it's probably good for everyone else. I love vlogging enough for y'all so that way I could have something to watch and enjoy while you're sitting at home munching on a bag of popcorn, chips, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So with that, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's my dad in the back. And yeah, with that, I will see you all later. Peace. Want to say bye, Dad? Yeah.
I like this. I like this.